My name is Jacob Ayers. I run the Fab Lab here at the Indiana School for the Blind. This is a project where we are 3D scanning the faces of the seniors that are graduating on Friday. And with that data, we 3D printed a half-life sized model of the students' faces. The method we went about doing this is we're using PolySmooth from Polymaker. We use PolySmooth almost exclusively in here for the past 2 years of the 3.5 years we've been running. We use the plastic because, for one, it's easy to print, it's easy to post-process, it sands well, it files well compared to other plastics, and it's smoothable with isopropyl alcohol with the polishers. So by doing that, we can make the ultimate tactile friendly surface for someone who is blind or visually impaired. When you're creating tactile objects for classroom use where the information being presented is vital, we don't want to misconstrued print imperfections for detail. So with the polisher and PolySmooth, we can eliminate almost all of that with minimal work. And when we're running a production type setup here, that matters. And the reason why we did this, if you go through the main entrance of our school, there's a hallway that has pictures of all the previous graduates from the past 25 years. And if you're a blind person walking by, you have no idea it's there. You have no idea of what the context is there. So this is a new initiative that we're starting to where every year we're going to 3D scan our graduates and we're going to have a rotating display that is tactily friendly of that previous year's graduating class. So we just completed this. Our students will get to see them tomorrow for the first time. The kids love it. They really don't realize how spoiled they are with what they're getting. They're getting a much higher quality interaction with additive manufactured 3D printed parts than most students are in any educational setting. We put a great deal of effort into making these as good as we can. So the general reaction has been, when we first started out 3.5 years ago, students were very hesitant to interact with these things. With a blind student, they're told most of their life, don't touch that, you're going to break it. And it builds up this huge wall in their mind of the level of interaction they can have with their world. So over time, within the past 3.5 years, we've had this gradual transition of, I'm not going to interact with that, I might break it, to this is for me. This was built for me to interact with and learn from it. And our students have owned that now.